Hello, friends. This is Mrs. Nicolau, and we're going to do a quick lesson about what character and setting are in two stories that you'll be learning about in today's lesson. Before we get to that, though, there is a quick vocabulary to know. The vocabulary today is migration. Migration means to move from one place to another seasonally. That means that every now and again, something or someone will move from one place to another. Here's an example sentence. The bird's annual migration across North America takes them south each winter. So remember that word migration. That's going to show up in our story. Our focus today is that I can describe the setting, characters, and major events in the text Mongo's Migration and Stand Tall, Molly Lou Mellon. One of our target is that I can describe the setting, characters, and major events in the text Mongo's Migration and Stand Tall, Molly Lou Mellon. Setting is bolded. What does setting mean? What is a setting? Well, let's dive a little deeper and figure it out. A setting is where a story takes place. Where and time. Where could be outside, inside. It could be inside any environment, whether it's a house, or a train, or a school, or outside in any environment, like the forest or the ocean. It could be the environment of rural, suburban, or urban. That is where the setting is, and it's also what time. Is it day, night? What day? Is it a Monday? A Friday? It could be any time of that day. 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, lunchtime, breakfast. Any time of year. It could be winter, summer, spring, fall. So the setting is where and when, the time and the place. We're also going to be looking at characters in Mongo's Migration and Stand Tall, Molly Lou Mellon. What is a character? You might already know what a character is, but let's find out more. A character is a person or other that is in a story, movie, or play. A person could be a kid, an adult, a boy, a girl, or anything of the such. When it says other, it could be an animal or an animated object. Let me give you some examples. These characters are persons: a young girl, a small boy, or a man. Or there could be a character that is an animal, like a pig or a dog, or an animated object, like a talking book, a question mark with a face, a happy looking brain, or a not so happy looking square. So the character is when, or the setting is when and where, and the character is the person or something else that is in a story, movie, or play. Here's your focus for today. When you watch your lessons, you're going to be able to describe the setting, characters, and major events in both the text Mongo's Migration and Stand Tall, Molly Lou Mellon. You're going to be looking at, drawing, and writing about who the characters are and what the setting is. So feel free to pause the video to create these boxes, just like here on the screen, for each title. Mongo's Migration and Stand Tall, Molly Lou Mellon. I want you to write the character's name or draw a picture of the character, or both. Write the setting, draw a picture of the setting, or both. For each book. So down in the description below is a link to today's lesson for the story Mongo's Migration in English and Spanish, and for the story Stand Tall, Molly Lou Mellon. I hope you are following along with the lessons, and good luck on finding out who the characters are and what those settings are. Bye, friends!